My name is Madeline Huff and I am a member of the Housing and Residence Life team. This video is designed to instruct you on how to search for your roommates and form roommate groups with other students. To get started, you will want to log on to your Drexel One portal, click on the Campus and Community tab, and then select the Housing and Dining link. Once you select the Housing and Dining link, it will bring you to the application home screen where you will select Housing Application from the top menu bar. This will then take you to the Term Selector page where you will see your completed 2020-2021 housing application. You will select Continue next to your 2020-2021 University Housing Quarter application to get to the roommate matching step. First, you will be taken to the application status page of your housing application. To get to the roommate matching step, you will want to select Roommate Matching from the top menu bar. Once you select Roommate Matching from the top menu bar, you will be taken to the Roommate Matching main page. The main page is going to contain important information regarding roommate selection. We highly encourage you to review this information in full as it contains information on how to roommate match and accept roommate requests from other students. As well, the main page contains 3 roommate matching options located at the bottom of the page that you will utilize to help you match with other students participating in roommate matching. Important things to keep in mind when roommate matching is you and your roommates will have to have a completed 2020-2021 housing application. If you or your roommates have not completed your housing application, you will not appear in the roommate matching step. As well, you all will have to have the same housing preferences. That means participation in a living learning community or gender-inclusive housing. For example, if you have decided to participate in gender-inclusive housing and your other roommates did not, then you will not be able to find each other on the roommate matching step. Same goes for living learning communities. If you have participated in the Honors Living Learning Community and your preferred roommate has not, you all will not be able to roommate match together. The first roommate matching option is search for roommates by known user. If you already have your roommate or roommates in mind, this is going to be the roommate matching option you will want to use to search for them. To search for your roommate or roommates, you will need to know their last name and their user ID. So for my roommate, their last name is going to be Testing, and their user ID is going to be the first half of their Drexel email address. So in this example, my roommate's user ID is going to be BUS694. Once you have completed entering their last name and their user ID, you will click the search button. Once you have successfully found your roommate, you will have 3 options available. 1. Send them a roommate request. 2. Send them an email to their Drexel email address. Or 3. View their living style questionnaire. As well, you can see your percentage matched based on your living style questionnaire answers. In this example, I am going to go ahead and submit a roommate request to Bushra Testing. Once you have submitted a roommate request to a student, you will be taken back to the roommate matching step of your housing application where you will be able to see outgoing request. To continue discussing how you can search for roommates, the second roommate matching option is going to be searching for roommates by lifestyle questions. You can complete the personal profile questionnaire and search for roommates that have the same answers as you in their living style questionnaire. Once you have completed your answers, you will select Search and a list of potential roommates will appear that match your profile answers. Please be cautious when using this roommate matching option because it may limit the number of potential roommates you may see if they do not match your living style questionnaire answers exactly. Again, once your matches have appeared, you will have 3 options available. 1. Send them a roommate request. 2. Send them a message. Or 3. View their living style questionnaire. To continue with this video, we are going to view the suggested roommates function. If you do not have a roommate or roommates in mind, we would encourage you to use this roommate matching option. This option will provide you with a list of all students who you match with that have a high percentage based on your living style questionnaire answers. This option will list all students who have a completed 2020-2021 housing application. Again, once your roommate matches have appeared, you will have 3 options available: send them a roommate request, send them a message, or view their living style questionnaire. Once you have sent your roommate request, you can return to the roommate matching main page, where you will see all of your confirmed roommates. You will be able to see incoming requests, as well as any outgoing requests that you may have sent to any other students. If you have any questions in regards to roommate matching, please reach out to the Housing and Residence Life team Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. by emailing housing@drexel.edu or giving us a call at 215-895-6155. Thanks for watching!